Hey there, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, or welcome if you're new. I'm about to go and pack my gym bag for the gym and figured I'd show you what's inside my gym bag. I am very careful about what I put inside of it, so I'm gonna show you why. So when I'm at the gym, I wanna be able to be prepared for two circumstances. One, being able to shower when I'm there. I want to take advantage of all that free water that I'm paying for. So I shower at the gym, and I also go really late at night too. So there's no one there. Like, there's just the whole bathroom to me. It's nice. I also want to make sure that the things that are in my bag are able to be used to like switch out workouts when I need to. Like, maybe if there's a machine that I need to get like the pump that I'm trying to get for that day, and maybe it might be taken. There are some tools that I can bring along with me that can help try to replicate or maybe even exceed the efforts that machine might be doing. So let me show you what's gonna go inside of here. As I mentioned before, my shower items starts with my towel. Definitely has to go in here. And also my shower bag. Inside my shower bag is all of my necessities, such as my face lotion, shower gel, my acne wash, my acne medicines as well, my lotions and creams, and I even keep my like toothbrush, toothpaste, and even a pad with me. I am fully prepared, y'all. So all of that goes into this shower bag, and this shower bag is what comes with me to the shower along with my towel. To bathe with, I grab a fresh Ziploc bag and I put in my washcloth, and then I also put in a fresh pair of undies, and this will also serve as the bag to hold my used items as well. So like used underwear, and then the used rag will also go inside of here so that everything else doesn't get all soaked up and nastied up in my gym bag. And this shower bag is pretty big. I wanted it to hold a lot of things because it has like a lot of like my pamper items in here. So this is just a regular like Adidas bag that I got from Ross. Yeah, I got it for like $8, so these aren't crazy expensive if you're trying to get one of these for yourself if you travel a lot. Depending if I get dressed before or not, in this instance I am going to be at work prior, so I'm just gonna pack my outfit with me. So I got this lovely little two-set thing that I got from like a mall in Broward. It's one of those like cheapy like $10 per item type store. So I saw it, it was pretty cute. I love the fact that it's a set, can't go wrong with that. So as you saw, quick for me to pick up and find the pair. So yes, I'm gonna pack my set to go with me. And then I also need a sports bra. Now either I will pack the sports bra or I'll just wear it underneath my clothes for work, depends. I think I'm gonna wear it underneath my clothes for work today, so we don't have to pack that. That's good. Next item that will be going in here is all of my workout items. Now, the workout items are usually in my bag. However, I dumped out my bag to reorganize it for right now. But usually they just sit inside of my bag, and whenever I need it, I'll take it out and it'll go back in because I'll misplace it otherwise. But what's usually in my bag at all times, it does not come out, is these ankle straps, which you can attach them to the cable machine and use them. And I've had these like forever. They're starting to like rust and all that jazz. I always have these with me just in case I want to do like cable kickbacks or things like that, and I don't want to like use the handles per se. So these come in handy. Resistance bands, in particular the cloth booty ones, like the booty bands. These, they go everywhere with me when I work out, outside, inside, in the house, in the backyard, at the beach, in the gym. Like, These bands are necessary, okay? Especially if you're trying to have them booty gains. But even if you're just trying to get yourself a good burn in your workout, like, you need to add some resistance, girl. Like, what you doing? And these bands came with a handy little cloth, you know, bag thing. When I'm at the gym, I just pick up the string and then just, like, you know, bring it with me. Just put it on me like that. 1000% stays in my bag. It does not come out. Next, some gloves, and these have been beaten the hell up. I need some new ones. But these were just so trusty that, you know, they're still going, even though they're kind of falling apart. But my gloves are so important for when I am doing heavy lifting days and I don't want to start developing those like calluses on my hands. This comes in handy. This also comes in handy for when I'm doing pull-ups too. My hands, I don't want them to distract me, like having to adjust the grip, or maybe my hands might be too slippery from sweat. This eliminates that issue completely, so I can focus on proper form and pulling myself up. So I use these mostly for the amount that my hands get sweaty and I don't want slippage. So I'll use it for when I'm like doing push-ups or straight arm planks or things like that. The next item that always stays in my bag are my other resistance bands. These are the Fit Beast resistance bands, and they are the long ones. And these are perfect for like when I want to do an arm warm-up, or if I want to use it for pull-up assistance, or if I want to add some difficulty to maybe like hip thrusts and so many other items. Like this can be used for warm-ups as well. Well, mostly I use these for warm-ups, but these can be used as the exercise too. But these are very useful to have when you are in and out of the gym. Especially for out of the gym, I feel the resistance bands are about as close as you can get to using weights without being in the gym. This does not come out of my bag unless I used it and I forgot to put it back in. Next, which is pretty optional, I have a hat that I use just to collect sweat or to keep my hair in check, whichever one. I keep it in just in case, but I don't always grab for it. But it's good to know that it's there just in case if I want the complete fit, or you know, if I am having a bad hair day. So next, a pair of clean socks. I may or may not already be wearing one when I'm going to the gym because of work, but just in case, having a pair in my bag is always helpful. I always keep my gym shoes in the car, so the only thing I have to worry about is just some fresh socks. Worst case scenario, I have no socks and I just have the shoes, which I hope that doesn't come across. So far so good, but having that inside my bag, necessary. Also in this little side pocket right here in my bag, I keep Carmex, and then I also keep some extra hand lotion as well. You never know when you might need some quick grab, and maybe I don't want to reach all the way into my bag to get the lotions that are in here. So I can just keep an extra one on the side. And then I also have my lock. Super important. When you are leaving your stuff inside the locker, you want to make sure that your stuff is secure. So, and then I also keep a charger for my headphones. The worst thing in the world is getting to the gym and then your headphones are dead. Ever since like the last time that happened, I was like, oh no, I need to put a charger in my bag. Even if it's a quick 15-minute charge, my headphones will be able to last the whole workout, and I will wait that 15 minutes if I need to. Yes. Speaking of headphones, how could I forget that this goes inside my bag too? This is the case to my headphones, which sit inside. I almost forgot. After I get out the shower, I need to wear something, right? Got y'all. So after this, I will throw in either some pajamas or, like, depending on the weather, I'll do like shorts and a t-shirt. It's been a little chilly lately, so I'll throw in some pajama pants and a top. JK, I cannot find any more pajama pants. I only have my sleep shorts and tops. So second best thing that I do, I just throw on a long dress so that my legs are covered when I go out of the gym, and then I just slip into my shorts and top when I get back home. Want to make sure that I have an emergency jacket with me. My emergency gym jacket, always gotta have it on me. So how about you? What do you absolutely have to have in your gym bag when you're with you? Do you even carry a gym bag to the gym? Let me know down in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, see ya. Bye.